That rumbling in your stomach? It's not just you being hungry, it's your body doing its job. When your stomach and intestines are empty, your brain sends signals to start contractions, called the migrating motor complex. These contractions move leftover food and gas through your digestive tract, and that creates sound. The growl gets louder when your stomach's empty, because there's nothing to muffle the noise. And no, it doesn't always mean you need food, it's just your gut keeping things clean. So next time your belly's loud in a quiet room, just smile. You're biologically efficient. Follow for more noisy body facts.